Hey, what's up, Peters R guys? It's your favorite Marvel Rio here, Hawaii SD Gablates, Granny,
Chewy!
and we are the Marvel Slumber Squaders. Do you have any idea what we'll be reacting in today's video?
No, actually.
Granny and Chewy doesn't have any idea.
Wala.
Any expectations?
Well, may nakita akong clue dito. May nakita ako. Yung sa Disney Plus. So, it's likely a series.
With that given clue, ano yung pinakaunang pumapasok sa brain cells natin?
Series yan for sure. So, I feel like series naman talaga. Kasi,
Are you sure about
yung movies na ilalabas nila, matagal pa eh. If movie yan, parang feel ko, nakita ko na sa internet na may hype. Series to kasi, medyo pangit naman din yung na series ng MCU yung nare-receive na so parang hindi siya anticipated much.
Wait lang. Okay, so for Granny, it is a series. Any specific series? What is the why are you chuckling?
Kasi very conventional.
Very conventional. The recording is up there. Any specific series na ina-expect mo?
Ako? Na-confirm ko na ano to kasi may nakita ako glimpse nung one time. Pero very
Sige. Bago ka sumagot si Chiwi mo.
nasa 10% lang.
Okay.
Yung very low yung ina-expect ko.
Okay.
I don't know if it's like a new series ba? Or is it a season 2 trailer? So, yun yung hindi ako sure.
Interesting.
I'm looking forward though. Kasi hindi ko alam kung ano lumalabas ngayon. Parang wala din ako masyadong naririnig.
Ano yun? Very interesting. Hindi ko rin in-expect. Baka nga season 2. Wala talaga akong alam. Ayoko nang mag-guess kung ano. Kasi
Ayaw na niya mag-guess.
I just wanna go in this trailer blind talaga.
Okay, so for me, one of the projects na looking forward to ako, and I hope kung ano yung vibe na dinala nila with this project before, I hope ganun pa rin yung vibe neto.
Oh, so it's a sequel.
So, let's see.
Actually, hindi siya bago. I'm sure hindi to bagong character.
Okay.
Most likely season 2 nga to kasi wala na rin ako naririnig na Wonder Man na yung naririnig ko na bagong nilalabas nila.
Oo nga.
Yeah.
Speaking of Wonder Man, guys, stay tuned sa reaction namin, Marvel Slumber Squad, watching Wonder Man and our after review for it. We'll be watching it tonight and we'll be posting our video for it soon. With that being said, shall we dive in?
Let's dive in.
In 3, 2, 1, let's dive in, people.
Oh! Ay, gagi, Daredevil.
Oh, it's Daniel Blake.
Oh! Hey!
Bullseye. Uy, Danny DeVito?
Oh.
What? Karen again?
Whoa.
What the heck?
Whoa.
Missing Batman.
Oh!
Ay!
Oh!
Jessica
Oh,
Jones.
Saw
I think.
or shovel?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Let's go,
Oh,
Bosai.
I love the music. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Uy!
What?
Oh my god.
What the heck? Oh, it's
Wow,
black.
it's black and red.
Gonna change his suit.
Let's go! Okay! Oh my gosh!
Jessica!
Okay, wow! I mean, na-overwhelm ako sa trailer na medyo hindi ko na na-catch kung ano nga ba nangyayari, and overwhelmed in a sense na they gave us a lot of siguro cameos of the characters. So, parang yung brain ko parang, wait, ano nga ba nangyari sa character na to before? Ano nga, ba't nandito si ano again? So, medyo hindi ko na nakakatch super yung details. Pero, wow! Pinaka na-caught off guard ako, of course, would be, holy crap. Jessica Jones,
Oh, Jessica
man.
Jones,
Jessica
yeah.
Jones in thy
Yan na siya,
flesh.
man.
We haven't seen the Jessica Jones series yet, so I guess it is required then. We're gonna have to watch that show. Very excited for this one.
But I heard the series, maganda yung series.
Ni Jessica
Tsaka,
Jones. Yeah.
maganda yung casting. Also, we love the actress.
Actress, yeah.
We
From Breaking
watched her sa Breaking Bad.
Yeah.
Kahit di kami familiar, parang looking forward kami sa character na to. Ang ganda ng trailer.
Ganda.
I would say, iba yung niya, yung attack ng trailer na to. Ba't gano'n? Mas light siya compared sa first season. Nasa music choice nila eh.
It has this
May creepy din nga
vibe.
siya. Pero
Creepy
parang
past the vibe
mas-
because of the Kingpin
Pero
video.
ang daming smiles sa trailer. Ang daming nagsismile. So, Bullseye, oh my God, looking forward ako yung Bullseye. Isa siya sa mga gusto kong characters nung Born Again 1. And yun, I'm happy to see na mukhang nandyan pa siya. Like, magagamit pa siya. So, yun. Personally, hindi ko nakita yung paano siya magkoconnect sa Season 1 kasi Season 1 really ended up in a
With a bang.
with a bang, parang cliffhanger talaga siya. So, parang dito na feel ko, syempre tutuloy nila, pero parang it's just a new plot, you know?
Parang hindi ko din makita yung connection niya sa season 1. But, na-enjoy ko yung trailer. Like, ang ganda ng song choice, ang ganda ng visuals. Parang, super, ang niya sa akin, parang, ang new nung ganong take nila. Ang weird yung parang may mask na mukha ni Kingpin. Kinilabutan ako doon. So,
Yeah.
parang, hindi ko na alam parang compared dun sa unang-unang version ng Daredevil, like, yung kung asan nila siya dinadala ngayon, ang ganda for me. So, excited ako makita kung ano yung gagawin nila for this. Also, yun, si Jessica Jones, actually, kilala ko siya sa, Marvel Snap. Doon ko siya nakilala kasi, so, sana, kung papanoorin natin, medyo excited din ako panoorin yung niya. Ang ganda niya!
Yeah.
Parang mukha siya,
Parang di
ang
siya
mature,
nag-age.
Eh, very angelic yung face talaga diyan ni Jessica Jones, the actress. I agree.
Tsaka parang mas unhinged yung dating ni Daredevil dito.
Ay, oo. Oo, totoo. Parang nga siyang, baliw eh.
Oo nga.
Speaking of, may scene na parang sumakit ulo niya.
I'ma give credit dun sa, how do you say this, yung editing, camera angles. I remember nung sa Born Again Season 1, yung change of lighting, yung mga ganon, yung pagiging, yung ratio ng video na medyo in-apply nila dun nung nahilo si Daredevil, si Charlie Cox, no? So, dun ako isa sa na-excite dito sa Season 2 or specifically Daredevil series, yung ganung editing nila. Nakaka-immerse siya for me. I like it.
That just reminded me yung isa pa sa mga strengths ng series na to is yung I remember watching it nung season 1, na feel ko na hindi sila pressured sa MCU timeline.
Yeah.
As in they have their own plot, parang malinis yung writing nila. So far na-feel ko rin naman ganito yung yung season 2, ganito yung season 2. Kasi parang kabit yung cast nila, kabit yung plot, well written eh. So, hindi ko, parang ito yung mga series na, or yung mga projects ng MCU na wala akong pake if mag-connect sila. So far, wala akong pake, I think. Kasi, nag-work sila as their own eh.
Yeah, universe, yeah.
Also, yan, yung we also noticed na parang, I think, naka-black suit na rin siya. May black suit siya dito.
I think. I've been seeing leaks of Daredevil using the black suit, tas red symbol. So, yeah,
most
very
likely
excited
kasi
for it.
yung
The title card
nila.
nagta-turn yung kumbaga nagsi-switch off yung red
Yung red.
color niya to black.
Yeah.
Ang napansin ko, wala sa trailer si Punisher.
Ay, wala nga si Punisher.
So,
Yeah.
baka
Wala na, naka-move on na.
baka may plans pa sila for him or may something na mangyari sa kanya na hindi natin muna makikita.
Yeah. Oo nga, no? Punisher ain't here. Kasi he ended up sa post-credit scene ng season 1 escaping the prison, right? He was able to escape. Kasi I remember he was the prison guard was like a fan of his. Tapos, na-lure niya to get the keys and everything.
I just realized, naka 1 year na to. Kasi, di ba yun yung isa sa mga una nating, panoorin niyo yung reaction namin sa trailer.
Oh, speaking of, yeah. If you haven't seen
Season
our
1.
reaction on Daredevil Born Again Season 1, go click the link up here.
Ako gandang-ganda ako sa series na to.
Same.
Parang it's a type of series na parang gusto ko panoorin ulit. I-rewatch yung season 1 just to catch up again for this season 2. Parang gusto ko siya panoorin ulit kasi gandang-ganda talaga ako sa Born Again.
I did mention that Daredevil Born Again is like my top 2025
Oh, did you?
project.
Oh.
You guys mentioned Spider-Man, so
Fake here.
censored.
Okay.
Most excited character na makita sa series na to. Chiwi.
Excited ako kay Kingpin tsaka kay Vanessa. Yung
Kingpin
ano
Vanessa.
nila, yung ganap nila. Kasi na-focus yun yung naging change nila or yung something about sa chemistry nilang dalawa bilang mag-asawa. Na-focus din yun nung season 1. So I just wanna see ano pa yung mangyayari sa kanila. Interesting nung relationship nila. Kasi parang silang masama. pero mabait, like okay sila for each other. Like meant to be sila. So wala lang. Very curious lang ako saan pa nila dadalhin yung couple na yun.
How about you? Who's your go?
Bullseye ako
Bullseye. Okay.
Bullseye ako Ewan ko, iba yung charm niya sa akin nung season 1, Born Again. Tapos, after watching that, nag-research na ako about the character, especially the actor. And gusto ko yung actor, feel ko ang ganda ng casting nila for Bullseye. Feel ko sobrang underrated nung actor. And yun, I'm happy to see na nandito siya ulit. Mukha siyang retired dito Parang nagka-arc siya dito. Honestly, sa mga nakita ko scenes niya is parang nasa isang setting lang siya. Hindi, nagka-arc nga siya sa sa season 1. Di ba parang nagtago siya sa isang abandoned house ba? Yung dun sa office nung therapist. May ganun pa palang character. Yung naging girlfriend ni, for a
Ay,
bit.
even White Tiger, bro.
Ayun nga, may
Si
White Tiger.
pa kaya.
May girlfriend nga pala si Matt
yung
Murdock
therapist.
noon. Tapos,
That's we're
ngayon,
seeing
mukhang
another one of the Karen again. The Karen tandem with Charlie Cox. Not really fan of it, honestly. Pero, sige, whatever. If you ask me, very excited ako for, if I'm not mistaken, his name was as Daniel Blake. Yung assistant niya, Kingpin. Isa ako sa, siya super,
arc nun.
siya yung parang possible next Kingpin vibe. Kumbaga yung descendant ni Kingpin. Very excited ako sa character niya. Will he be someone like Kingpin or may innocent pa ba kaya siyang side na mailalabas or lalabas na ba talaga yung pinaka parang evil inside him? Yeah, very excited for Daniel Blake. Let's see how his character goes.
Ikaw, kanino ka excited?
Daniel Blake.
Kakasabi niya lang.
Ayun yung answer, ma.
Yun yung answer ko.
sorry.
Bakit ako kaya ako nag-explain this whole time kasi yun yung sagot ko.
Inaantay ko baka may sumagot ng Kingpin.
Excited ako kay Kingpin tsaka kay Vanessa.
Wala akong sumagot ng Kingpin.
Ako!
Kingpin ba sagot ni
Kingpin tsaka Vanessa.
Ayaw!
Are you sabog? We're seeing Jessica Jones in this series. Should we watch Jessica Jones before season 2?
Kailangan na nga.
Is it needed?
Kasi honestly, hindi, natry ko ata Jessica Jones for a bit. So I think I'm willing to give it a try. Alam mo, I'm down.
So we
I'm
have
down to
time.
watch Jessica Jones.
Very excited ako sa how they are gonna introduce Jessica Jones back into the series. Let's see. Sana she still fits well sa series na to. Alright guys, so there we have it with our reaction on Daredevil Born Again Season 2. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please do show us some love by subscribing, smashing that like button, hitting the notification bell to not miss any future contents from yours truly. Comment down below. Should we already watch the whole Defenders series before Season 2 comes out? Doing all this would definitely help us out on our YouTube partner program journey. As you can see, 90% of our audience aren't subscribed yet. 600 out of 3,000 watch hours. Still a long way to go, so it'd be a huge favor if y'all could help us out for us to be able to continue our passion on creating quality entertainment content for y'all. We'll be covering all the latest updates, character reveals, gameplay breakdowns, movie and trailer reviews, mainly Marvel stuff, so stick around for more. Also, do follow me on my Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Letterboxd accounts at YKSD Goblocus. It's your favorite Marvel trio here, YKSD Goblocus.
Granny!
And we are the Marvel is Lumber Squad! Stay epic, stay legendary, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out, bye!